Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install pandas in Python 3.9. So first of all, open your command prompt by typing cmd here on your Windows search bar, and then type here pip install pandas and then press enter. So it's going to download the requirements. So you just need to wait for a few seconds, but in my case I already installed it. You can see it says requirement already satisfied. So when it's completed, you just need to go to your idle IDE to check whether pandas installed or not. So I'm open idle IDE and then type here import pandas as pd, press enter. So you can see it's installed. Now to check the version of pandas, you just need to type here print bracket pd dot version bracket, press enter. So you can see 1.3.0 version is the latest version of pandas. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.